Hello and welcome to another quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, let me give you an overview of the Client Dispute Manager software dashboard. At the very top, you'll immediately see your company name. You may update your company name or input your company name by going through Company, then go to Company Settings. Beside your company name, you'll have a to-do list or to-do task icon. The to-do list or to-do task icon allows you to keep track of tasks that you're looking to accomplish within the day or maybe within the week or even within the month. You can enlist down all of the tasks that you wish to do so that you can keep track of them and you can mark them completed as soon as they're done. When you complete a certain task, you can just check them off from your list and all of your completed tasks would be in the completed grid. From here, you can also undo the task and put them back on pending if you wish to, if you have still any pending for that task. Beside that is the reminders. This is where you could view all the reminders you have set up for your clients, whether to review documents from them, to do a follow-up call with them. These are reminders that you could basically quickly review. You'll get notified right here at the top when there's a reminder that's due, or it's already due within the time frame that it was initially set for. You can always mark any reminders as already read by clicking on the checkbox, delete any, and move any of the reminders to archive. You can also view all of these reminders in the Calendar tab. Across that is we have other notification icons. This notification icons lets you know what's new, lets you know what you recently received. If you got a new client, if you got a new web lead, if you got a new affiliate lead, if you got any messages from your clients, these are the notification icons that would let you know about them. Let's go through all of the notification icons one by one. This is where you can check all the completed interviews for the Smart Interviewer. This would let you know if there's any payment that's past due. This would let you know if there's a new lead coming from your client's auto sign-up lead form if you have it set up. Lets you know if there's any signed agreements or new contracts that has been sent back. Any pending documents, if your client submitted documents through the client's auto sign-up process or through the client tracking portal, you'll be able to view them from here. Any messages coming from your affiliates. Any leads coming from your web affiliate form if you have it set up, any referrals that your affiliate sent through the affiliate tracking portal, any leads coming from your website lead form if you have it set up and integrated in your website, any referrals coming from your clients that they submitted through the client tracking portal, and customers that's due for follow-up letters or disputes that you have done and already due to do a follow-up for. You'll also be able to see if you have any new messages coming from your clients or customers that they have sent through the client tracking portal. Any signed single payment authorization form for either a card authorization form or check authorization form if you have it turned on. And of course, any new text messages or SMS if you have the SMS feature turned on. Now, right here, you'll also be able to control your profile by clicking on the logo. You'll be able to see your name and be able to update your profile by clicking on My Profile. If you click on My Profile, this pop-up will appear. You can always update your avatar and browse through and upload a new avatar if you wish to, and you can also remove the avatar and update your name. Every time you make changes, just make sure to hit on Save. Now, right below that, we do have different tabs that would take you to different screens, and we have different training videos that can be found in each screen to learn more about them. We also do have shortcut icons, add a quick lead that lets you add a quick lead, or add a quick information of the client by using their name and phone number and email, add a new customer with complete information, search for customer data or profile in the software. Dispute status gives you a bird's eye view of all the progress or letters that you have in disputes and when they would be due for all the clients. We also do have some helpful links where you could go through watch get started training videos or onboarding training videos. Join the daily live training which is happening from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time Monday to Friday with the live support specialist. Do a one-on-one session with our support specialist if you need further assistance. We also do have some overviews. We have the customer overview that gives you an overview of how many clients you have per status. Dispute process overview gives you a total number of all the items you have in dispute, all repaired items, deleted items, still negative, remaining items, and creditor and collectors in dispute. Business growth statistics. It gives you a total running revenue you could either choose from year-to-date revenue, current month, or last month revenue to get a quick preview of how much you have already earned so far. And of course, at the bottom, you can always chat with our live support specialist, and this chat pop-up can be found into any screens. So that would complete our quick training tutorial about the dashboard overview.